Want to reach your targeted customers on WhatsApp with approved business messages? With TalkWhy templates, you can create message templates for marketing, offers, updates, reminders, and customer follow-ups. Once approved, these templates can be sent through conversation lists, helping you connect with the right customers faster and more professionally. Let's see how to manage templates in TalkWhy.
Start by navigating to the Templates section. Here, you can view all your previously created templates. If you want to create a new one, click on New Templates. If you prefer to update an existing template instead, simply use the Edit toggle. Now, choose the type of message you want to send. Then, begin customizing your content. In the header section of Marketing Message, you can either enter text or attach an image link. And if you don't want the header, you can disable it. Now move on to editing your main message. Here, you can also add variables, so you don't have to edit and resend the template for approval every time. When using the template, you can simply fill in these variables to send a customized message. Next, you have action buttons. You can add your website link or a stop button, allowing recipients to easily opt out if they want. Once you're done, click on Save Changes. Your template will then be submitted for approval. You can either sync all templates from the top or sync them individually. Once synced and shows approved, then proceed to send messages. Now choose your recipients. You can select from your existing conversation list or enter phone number or search for specific customers saved. Next, review and edit the variables you set earlier. You can either send the message immediately or schedule it. To schedule, select the date, time, and the time zone. You also have the option to make the message recurring. Choose whether it should repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, and customize the exact day as needed. Once everything is set, click on Schedule. Finally, you can scroll down to view your scheduled templates or cancel any message if needed.
That's how TalkWhy templates help your business send approved messages to targeted customers. Use them for marketing campaigns, bulk messages, customer updates, and follow-ups, all from one simple dashboard. TalkWhy makes WhatsApp communication easier, faster, and more organized. Thanks for watching, and start your journey with TalkWhy today.